Please, I had earlier on warned, let's respect the court and the decorum. Please, that is we have said, as the ED said, we are in a multi-party system. Please, at least you remove that one. You will wear it later. Please, you are not going to swear in. Please remove it.
Which
remove
one?
That means you are in chain. You cannot be. You have a right to be free. No, leave him. He will remove that. Let's have the next councilor swear. Please. Order for him to swear, then he can again make whatever. Please.
No, you're not supposed to hand us like that. This is my... Yes, I've...
So we are not using any force. We are not using any force, but we are just directing that please, if you are to swear, just remove that swear and then put on the way you want your dress code to be.
Your Worship, what is the problem with this? Because I'm the person, I was elected, and I'm here. What is the problem?
No. See how you have dressed.
What is the problem with my dressing?
Okay, let's sort it out as let's sort it out as another person swears in. It's not in order.
I think, Your Worship, it's not in order.
It is really not in order.
Because I'm here, I was elected, I'm free. I'm here to, what is the problem with this, really?
Can we have order if you are the voice of the others? So let's first remain as we sort out the release of those others. Then you will swear in, you will be a person. Please, we are not going to continue, I have said. We are not going to swear him unless he removes those things.
We are, Your Worship, Ugandans are not free. Ugandans are not free.
Please.
We want our people to be free.
We are not going to continue unless you change. Can we remove that? Unless there's order, I'm not going to proceed. Hello, members. I am not going to proceed with this swearing in unless in order I have adjourned. Unless there is this order, I am not going to proceed with the swearing in of this matter. I have adjourned the House. What are we
Tetukiriza wagulewo.
Kasi si kamera. Is this a prison? Is this a prison? Mutukulira mujja y'abantu. Mutukulira mujja y'abantu.
Batugambye bantu basatu.
Abantu batuwerekeddeko. Abantu batuwerekedde. Bano abali muleeya. Who is them? Bano abali muleeya baani? Baani bamutadde muleeya abakwata abantu wano.
No, tutugenda shirikiriza.
Omuntu mumutaddewa. Nve wano nga simuyina mumutaddemu n'omufiisa akola wano.
Nedda.
Lwaki bamuyisiza?
Lwaki tuyita wano? Wano we bamuyingiriza. Nedda ssebo. Tugenda kuva wano. Njakola ekyetaagisa.
Bano baleese wano ab'amagye PGP eri wano muleeya. Mutuwa muntu, mutuwa muntu, mutuwa muntu.
Grab it to hold the red button. Akasiriikiriraako ka mulamuzi Akero owa Buganda Road Chief Magistrate ate mu ngeri yemu nga watuukidde ne Lord Mayor wa Kampala Alhaji Saalongo Elias Lukwago ne maama babadde batuuse dda Saalongo ne Naalongo era mwegendereze nga muli mu kidaala muno tebabookya kozi abalongo beebookya kooti nga tebannagiyitamu order mwe musinga okubimanya ab'amateeka munnange bwe twakoze gravity asobola okutuwaamu nga kooti tebannaga nti kooti bagiise omulamuzi agambye nti kyenziramu okukola kyonna kimenya amateeka.
I didn't say that. I said we are time bad.
Agambye obudde bugenze tugende maaso n'okulayira.
May I take this honor to welcome in the house the Lord Mayor-elect and his wife. You are most welcome and come swearing in. I urge you that to save time, let's just do what is required in the swearing in. We are trying to swear you in so that you now have that instrument of power and you manage the situation. Please, let's avoid the unnecessary dress code. You can do that thereafter. Please, let's cooperate. I thank you. I believe we shall do our best now.
Mishap and that led to the adjournment. Allow me now take the honor to invite Councilor-elect Katabu Moses, Kampala Central 2.
I, Katabu Moses, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Katabu Moses, swear in the name of Almighty God that I shall give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God. People power! Power, power! People power! Power, power!
Can we call the next person coming?
Everywhere.
Start by swearing.
I, Katerega Julius, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Katerega Julius, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Can we have the next person? Can we have the next person? Please sing it after you've gotten the instrument of power.
Kato, Councilor-elect Kato Paul, followed by
That's right, you first wait. Yes, that's where after.
I, Katopo, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Katopo, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Thank you so much. Can we have the next person?
Your Worship, the next person is